Interior office doors don't just divide rooms. They actually shape how people move through a space, how they communicate, and even how they work day to day. Because in an office environment, doors are doing more than closing off openings. They influence sound control, privacy, transparency, and the overall experience of the workplace. So before you finalize an office layout, it's worth looking at how interior doors are actually affecting the space, not just how they look.
The next piece is transparency versus privacy, especially when comparing glass and wood office doors. Glass doors are often used in modern office layouts because they create visibility and bring natural light deeper into your space. They're commonly used for conference rooms, private offices where visibility is still desired, collaborative areas, and front-facing office suites. They help create a more open environment, but they also reduce separation if they're not balanced with the right level of privacy. Wood doors, on the other hand, lean more toward visual privacy and separation. They're typically used when the goal is to create clearer boundaries between spaces, especially in environments where focus, confidentiality, and reduced distractions really matter. Most office projects end up using a mix of both, depending on how each space functions.
One of the biggest factors in office design is sound control. Open offices, conference rooms, private offices, shared workspaces. They all function differently when it comes to noise. And the door is a major part of that separation. A standard door office opening can either help contain sound between spaces or allow it to transfer more freely, depending on how it is specified. That's why door type, core construction, and ceiling all matters when you're trying to create the right work environment. And in commercial planning, that's usually one of the first performance considerations tied to interior office doors.
And that mix directly connects to productivity, because office doors influence how people experience the environment they're working in. For example, a conference room placed next to an open office area needs a different level of sound control and door specification than a private office tucked in a deeper floor on the floor plan. That's where layout and door selection really start working together instead of independently. You can have a well-designed space on paper, but if the door type doesn't match how the space is used, it can impact focus, privacy, and even how effectively meetings or conversations happen throughout the day. So the way the doors are used throughout an office layout actually plays a role in how balanced the space feels for people who use it every single day. And it's not just about individual openings, it's about how the entire system of doors work together across the entire space.
And that's really the key point. Interior office doors are not just architectural fillers in a floor plan. They're part of how a building functions day to day, from acoustics and privacy to workflow and even perception. That's why it's important to think about performance early in the planning process, not just layout or aesthetics. At CDF Doors, we work with teams planning office spaces each and every day, helping align door types with how the space actually needs to function. And tools like our Pro Builder tool can help keep these selections organized when you're working through multiple office openings, hardware sets, and specifications.
Interior office doors also play a role in the first impression, especially in client-facing spaces. When somebody walks into an office, they're immediately reading the environment. Glass office doors tend to signal openness, transparency, and collaboration. Wood doors tend to signal privacy, structure, and separation of spaces. Neither one is better universally, but they do communicate different things about how the company operates. So in reception areas, executive suites, or conference rooms, door selection becomes part of how the space is experienced before anyone even sits down.
So before you finalize your space, it's worth taking a second look at your interior office doors to make sure they're actually going to perform the way you need them to, not just match the drawing. And if you're working through an office project and want an easier way to compare options, keep opening size organized, or review specifications, you can use our Pro Builder tool. And if any questions come along the way, you can always reach out to the team. We're always happy to help you work through whatever you need and get you moving in the right direction.